Living with a reactive dog in an apartment can feel like you're constantly walking on eggshells. You dread every little noise, every footstep in the hallway, every knock on a neighbor's door. The anxiety is real. You're always thinking, am I one noise complaint away from eviction? It's easy to feel so isolated and even ashamed, but I want you to know you are not alone in this. So many of us are navigating the same challenges, trying our best for our dogs in spaces that weren't designed for them. Remember, your dog's reactivity isn't a reflection of you as an owner. It's a journey, and every small step forward is a victory. Let's build a community that understands and supports each other without judgment. Share your story in the comments. We're in this together.